Are you looking for the best law of attraction techniques to manifest your desires and improve your life? Well, keep watching. Now, I want to know, do you want to attract success? You want to attract love? You want to attract abundance, but you don't know where to start? The law of attraction can help to bring positive energy into your life, but you need the right techniques to make it work. So let me share with you some of the most powerful methods that can help you manifest your dreams. First of all, visualization is a must. Picture yourself living your dream life with all the details, like how it feels and what it looks like. Another effective technique is affirmations, repeating positive statements about yourself or, your goals every day can help shift your mindset. And if you want to feel grateful, gratitude journaling is a great way to start. Write down everything that you're thankful for to raise your vibration and attract more good things. You can also use a vision board to display images and words that represent your goals. Now, seeing them daily reminds you subconsciously to focus on your desires. Finally, you got the ask, believe, receive method. And you ask for what you want, you believe you deserve it, and being open to receive it. But it has to be God's will. So you have to ask God. If it aligns with what He wants for you, you'll get it. These techniques are powerful as tools to help you unlock your full potential and manifest your dreams. And if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.